Yo, chap. I don't think the contour sideways today. I'm hoping not.
Yeah, you gotta check. How do you know?
Taking this down off right here. Yep, it's centered. Hold on. After with a clear lens, cause the contour mounts suck. Buy a G&B PDG mount, cause the adhesive actually sticks, unlike a contour mount. But nah, boy. Get your ass on, boy. I'm gonna fuck the hell out you, bruh. What's up, big boy?
Big boy. We're gonna sit over here. Yeah.
It is too hot. There's not enough people, bro. Get it down! Oh shit! Yeah, behind that car. Hey, bro, behind you.
I wanna game with these so bad. How much are these? That one I got free.
I'm digging in you, bro. Yo, quit.
That's not me, bro.
Hey. That's B-roll.
What a vlog. We got Ben IGL. We just got kicked out in